Hello traders around the world, welcome back to another video. And this is a midweek review for the week the 3rd of February to the 7th of February. Okay, like I said on Sunday, okay, I was expecting price to reach for 50% of this range, okay, and we did get that on this is Monday, that's Tuesday and Wednesday. We did hit that on Wednesday, which is just yesterday, but my actual target was here, so I didn't want to get to the 50%. I took one of my target off here, so that's where I collapsed one of my trade from down here. Okay, it's a decent range, and I collapsed that trade, and we did hit the 50% yesterday, so the target has been met, and as I said, I'll leave a portion on for a continuation to the upside, which I still have on. So I'm looking for price to continue to go higher on this pair. How high, I'll see how we trade when we get up here. Okay, I'll see how we trade when we get there, but today looks good for a push to that level. Let's drop down to 19C. Yeah, today looks good for that level. Yeah, this one has been done, so today looks good for around here. Let's see if we get a push to that side. If not, then we'll probably stay sideways for today and then push on Friday. So I'll not be doing anything much. I should have, if we do, let's have a look. We've traded down here. If we do get a pop back down to this demand zone, let's draw the Fibonacci from there to there. Yeah, still it can still drop down and then be okay to go higher. So if we do get price drop down here, I'll be interested in a buy. Okay, that's the only area I'll be interested. Where we are right now, I'm not doing anything. But if we do get a pop down here, I'll be interested in a buy for a continuation to the upside. Okay, but as we are now, I'm not doing anything. And let's drop back to, let's drop back to the 4 hour. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's fine. Let's see the 4 hour retracement. Yeah, the 4 hour looks shallow, so if it does drop down again to that level there, I'll be interested in a buy. Let's see on the daily how it looks like. Yeah, it's decent. Yeah, it is possible that we can get a down close for today down here, and then Friday we see a push higher. So that'll be the second target, and then ultimately I'll be looking for another leg up to continue going higher. So that's that one. If I look on second one. Today, this week has been good so far, with a bit of hiccups. Right, on this one, I still have my lines drawn. Okay, I said I was a bit worried about this demand area. Obviously, the context was we've come below these equal lows, so it should be okay to push higher. And the target was there. We reached it on, that was Tuesday, so good Tuesday. We did get push on Tuesday handsomely to that level, right? And I was contemplating of getting another entry on this, but I didn't get to the level I was looking for. I'll show you the level I was looking for. Yeah, go back to the one now. Let's have a look. The range. Yeah, I was looking for price to drop down here. That was where I was looking for price to drop down to, and then I'll be interested in a buy. It didn't offer that, so that's a shame, but it's fine, because it's still trying to reach for the second target, which is that one there. Let's have a look on the daily and see. Okay, I think we're gonna come here. Try the Fibonacci and see where that leads us to. 50% is there. 50% now. I'm convinced we will reach it. Okay, I'm very convinced we're going to reach that one, and then the 61.8. I'm convinced we're going to hit these two price levels. Okay, the 50%, we can get a downturn, but still, if not this week, we will get it next week. So that's the next target. That's the next target on price. So we should get another push higher to these levels, and then once we get up there, I'll start looking for sales. I'll start looking for a continuation to the downside, because this is just a retracement. This is a move, impulse move, like I was showing last week. So we can get another leg to the downside, something like that. Alright, so let's get the upside done first, and then we start looking for the downside. So that's the business on this. Very nice trade. The next one is New Zealand yen. There's the one there. Still have my lines on there, and this is when you see price action. Okay, when you see price action like this, it's very, very nice. Yeah, very, very, very nice. What do I mean by that? Like I said, this trade will form Tuesday or Wednesday. Notice Monday was a indecisive candle, or candle that doesn't make its mind up whether it wants to go up or down, and then it forms a lower low. Okay, and then on Tuesday we see that scream higher. That's very nice to see that. Okay, so without praising myself too much, let's have a look. So the trade was from that low to that high, that low to that high retracement, and then boom to there. Okay, that was the trade, and that was it. That's the target that I was looking for. Even though I can see us pushing a bit higher to close in some of this gap in here, there and there. Okay, these 2 price points will be the next target. Drop down to the floor. Let's have a look. Yeah, we will definitely hit this one. If not this week, next week we will, and then probably a screen to that level. And once we get up here, price is gonna sink back down. Okay, just like the euro yen. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, so when we get up here, I'll see it for confirmation that we want to go back down, and then ultimately I'll be looking for price to now come in, clear this consolidation. Like I said on Sunday, this will offer resistance, and it did. Now that it's offered a resistance, the next time it's coming, I don't want it to offer resistance, I just want it to go through it, just like that. So let's see if we get the push higher. Personally, I am not taking any trade in a position on this because my target was just there. Okay, and we've got there, so I'm not taking any position. I'll just watch price action to take it up there, and then once we get up there, I'll be interested in a short. That's what I'm looking for. The next one, which is the last one I talked about, is New Zealand USD. I'll look on that one. Okay, so on this one, it's a bit of a delay in movement, which I think it should happen today or Friday. Let's go back to the weekly time frame. Let's draw our level that I was looking for, my zone there. Okay, and then on the daily time frame, we have a swing confirmation right here. Okay, swing confirmation with that candles closed. I would have loved if it had closed above this, but it's still fine. It's offered a retracement, so this could be the trade. Okay, today could be the trade that takes us up to that level that I was talking about, which is here, that there, here. Let's draw the flip and put that there. So the 50% is there, okay, but I'm looking here. That's where I'm looking. So it is possible that today, during London or New York, we will see this push scream high to that level, and then the trade will be done. Yeah, and then the trade will be done. But I'll also love to see a continuation to there. Okay, I'd love to see a continuation to there, but for now, let's get here first, and then we start thinking about there. We are at a level that it's good to be let's drop down to the 4 and see. This one is a bit iffy if you don't like this consolidation. With that said, a strategy is a strategy. So the strategy says that buy when it gets there, so that's what you do. Okay, so there's a long there with a stop below here and a target there. Right, I'll actually publish this as a trade idea once I finish. So it's a long from where we are currently. Let me just do it live as I am here. Okay, so the entry, we've already been to the entry. The target is there. So we have a 3.3521. Okay, and that's where your stop should be, and that's the target. So let's publish this live. NZD push higher for today or Friday. Go long and then choose trend analysis, publish. There we have it. That's that one there, done. Okay, that's what I'm looking for on that. We didn't get that push on Tuesday like the others did. So I'll look for this to just give me that push, and then I'll be done. Alright, so that's all the business for now. I will get back to you guys on Saturday or Sunday for a weekend review, and then the forecast for the next week, which is the 10th to the 14th. Okay, so I'll catch up with you on Saturday or Sunday. Okay, until then, be safe and stay blessed.